Since President Trump took office, fear has been increasing among Maine's immigrant populations. Some advocacy organizations are working hard to provide some reassurance. News Center Maine's Pearl Small spoke with one of those organizations who say they're focusing on what they can control.
Apples, black beans.
Operations have been changing lately at Presente, Maine, an advocacy organization that provides resources and support for displaced Afro and Indigenous Latins in Maine.
And now we are delivering groceries to our community members twice a month, right to their homes.
Community Health and Wellness Director Keiko Torres says they used to hold food pantries at their offices in Portland twice a month. But like many of their services, they've had to shift away from in-person assistance.
People started being more afraid to leave their houses to seek the services that they needed.
Keiko says the changes started when President Donald Trump took office and signed several executive orders cracking down on immigration. Even though she says most of the people they service are documented or in the process of applying for asylum, they're still worried.
They're still afraid that that won't be enough just because of some of the really well-known actions being taken by the president.
She says they've seen an uptick of enforcement from Immigrations and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, in their communities since the administration announced mass deportations, and know people who were picked up and detained.
It's so easy to feel really powerless during this time, but fortunately there's a lot of things that we can do.
During a time of uncertainty, Keiko says shifting to at-home services is one of the many ways they're working to support the communities they serve. They've also been offering educational trainings that inform people of what their rights are and how to get representation if they are detained, as well as increasing advocacy on a larger scale, rallying supporters and holding protests.
There's definitely a lot to hope for, but there's also a realism that sets in, and we're like, let's focus on what we have power over and what we can change and keep doing the work.
In Portland, Pearl Small, News Center, Maine.
We reached out to ICE for comment, but we have not heard back yet.